Yeah, hi, good morning everyone. I hope my voice is clear for everyone, right? Okay, fine. So I can share my screen and then we can go ahead with today's session. Also, I shared already syllabus, what are the topics going forward we can cover and all. All the syllabus topics I have already shared, okay? Yeah, so today let us start with let us start with the chapter number one. Chapter number one. In the chapter number one, so first question they will ask if you attend any interview. First question they will ask, what is Java? What is Java, right? So before what is Java, you have to understand what is programming language. What is programming language and what is language? You have to understood the difference between language and programming language. Okay, so I will tell you the clearly of it, so you can get the better clarity on it. I am taking MS Paint and yeah, the question is what is language? What is language? The first question is what is language? For example, let us assume there is a person, there are two persons. This is the one person, and I will give to there are two persons. The two persons want to communicate with each other. How they can communicate? How they can communicate? So let us assume there are two persons and the two persons want to communicate with each other. How they should communicate? So whatever the proper language they know, with the help of that language they can able to communicate, right? With the help of that language they can able to communicate. For example, this person say like hi, okay? And if the person, this is the person A and person B also knows the same language, then this person also will written as hello, hello, meaning here they are using language as the English. Okay, I hope you guys are clear with my statements or not. Generally, in this case, they are using as a mediator as the English and Kannada, Telugu, any language. The process should be the same, right? Now, tell me what is language? Language which will act as a mediator between two entities, which will act as a mediator between two persons. I hope you guys are clear with my statements, right? What I'm saying. Language is a mediator between two entities. Okay? Okay, fine, very good. Now the next question is what is programming language? Next question is what is programming language? What is programming language? Programming language means which will act as a, so this is the person and the person want to communicate with mission. This is the mission. Hmm. This is the human and the human want to communicate with the mission. Then which language we will use? We will use programming language. I hope you guys are clear with my statement. Okay. If the person want to communicate with the person, we will use the language. Now the definition for the language is coming to here. And what is language? Language is a mediator Language is a mediator which will act as a uh, language is a mediator in between two entities in between two entities. Okay, fine. Next question is, what is programming language? What is programming language? What is programming language? Programming language, answer for the programming language will act as a mediator between human and machine, human and mission. Okay, so I hope you guys are clear what is language and what is programming language, right? Now, next question they will ask. Next question they will ask, how programming language build? How programming language build? This is the next question they will ask. How programming language build? Now coming to here, and I'm scrolling little bit up, and here the next heading is how programming language build. Next heading is how programming language build. How programming language build. Okay, so first we'll try to see with respect to language and with respect to programming language. Okay, let us understand. Any person, any language, the person can directly can able to speak. No, right? I am telling the example. First, we will try to understand with respect to language. So, let us assume if one baby born, the baby directly can speak Kannada, Telugu. No, right? So after 5 years, after 6 years, the baby will speak proper language of native. So same way, basically, what the babies initially they try to learn, they try to learn. I am telling with respect to English. So first they can learn alphabets, meaning A to Z. Okay, meaning these are the characters. They can learn the alphabets. With the help of alphabets, they can make. I can do the flow of programming language. The flow of programming language. So any person they cannot directly speak fluent in any language. So any person they have to process follow the process. That is, first they have to learn the basics like A to Z character alphabets. With the help of these alphabets, we can make the words. We can frame the words. We can frame the words. Yes or not? Yes. With the help of this, we can make the words. With the help of words, we can make the hmm, we can make the statements, sentences, sentences meaning a group of words is called sentences, right? Next, with the help of sentences, we can make the paragraphs. Paragraphs. Okay, with the help of paragraphs, we can write the stories. We can write the stories. So this is the procedure will follow any language. That might be the Kannada, that might be the Hindi, any language. This is the process we will follow. Anybody, any baby directly cannot speak any language. Any person they have to follow the same process. Initially, we can learn the characters. I would say alphabets. With the help of alphabets, we can make can frame the words. With the help of words, we can frame the sentences. With the help of the sentences, you can frame the paragraphs and then stories. This is with respect to any language. Now, meaning any normal speaking language. Now we'll try to understand programming language. What is the process we can follow? With respect to programming language, where I would say what is happening with respect to programming language. Programming language. Programming language. So I can use like a shortcut, that is PL. PL meaning programming language. What happens with respect to programming language? So in case of programming language, what are the basic things? The basic things are like, I would say, the basic things are like first alphabets. Alphabets are A to Z. Next one is you have to know numbers. Numbers, how many numbers we have? There are 9, 0 to 9. And you should be know about some special characters like at the rate, hash. These are the some special characters. Special characters. These are the basics, guys. These basics already know. Alphabets already know. Numbers already know. Special characters also already know. Right? Okay. So with the help of this in programming language, what actually we can do? We can do, we can frame, we can give the flow of that chart, and you can get the clarity on it. Okay. So these are the characters. With the help of these characters, we can frame the tokens. Tokens meaning a small part of program is called token. A small part of program is called token. With the help of these tokens, we can frame the statements. We can frame the statements. Can say statements. And with the help of statements, we can write the programs. Statements, we can write the programs. And with the help of a group of programs is called, we can develop a software. We can develop a software. Now, in the fresher level interview, if anybody, if already attended the fresher level interview, first question they will ask, what is software? The first question they will ask, what is software? Can you please tell me? First introduction is the first basic question, that is the basic question. And after the basic question, they will ask, what is software? Then what is software? Software is nothing but a collection of programs is called software. So this is the diagram of how language will and how programming language will. Now here there is, we need to by heart anything? No, no need. We have to understand the flow. Characters, the help of these alphabets, we can, I would say we can frame the words. With the help of words, we can frame the sentences. With the help of sentences, we can frame the paragraphs. With the help of paragraphs, we can we can frame the stories. We can frame the stories. Stories is nothing but a group of paragraphs. A collection of paragraphs is called stories. Same way, coming to any programming language, the structure should be the same thing. Any programming language. There are number of programming languages in the market. We are going with the Java, and this is the structure. So the basic things you should be familiar with the alphabets, numbers, and special characters. With the help of these basics, you can frame the tokens. Token is nothing but a small unit, a small part of our program is called a token. And with the help of tokens, you can make the statements. And with the help of statements, you can frame the programs. With the help of programs, you can develop the softwares. You can develop the software. Then the question is, what is software? Software is nothing but a collection of programs is called software. Coming to here, and How the programming language build? This is the diagram. This is the diagram. You have to remember the diagram. Okay, fine. Now the question is, what is software? What is software? Software means a collection of programs. A collection of programs is called software. Is called software. A collection of program is called software. Now you guys are clear. What is language and what is programming language? How language build and how programming language build. How language build and how programming language build. Right? Okay. Now you guys are clear. Okay. So next we can go ahead with Java part. There are number of programming languages in the market, and we are going with the Java only because there are some features. So the heading is Java introduction. Java introduction is the heading. Java introduction is the heading. So also guys, whenever you are learning any programming language or anything, you have to follow two notes. One is the class notes and second one is the your personal notes. First one is the class notes and the second one is the personal notes. Personal notes. Class notes means when the class is running, we have to note down all the points. For example, so so if I take the 2 hours of session, we can able to remember all the points at a time. No, it's not possible, right? As a human, cannot remember all the 2 hours of class. You cannot understand. So at the time you have to what you have to do, you have to maintain class notes and whatever the points you have to note down the parallel. And when you reach your home and all, when you have the spare time, in that case you have to maintain your personal notes and there itself you can prepare your personal notes based on your knowledge. Your knowledge means so some of them they are very fluent in the English. So some of them they are at an intermediate level in the English. So based on their language, they have to prepare their personals. Any language, this is the process you have to follow. Any language, any subject. Okay. Okay, fine. Now Java introduction. So Java initially it was developed by the 1991. The company name is Sun Microsystem. Sun Micro System, and the father of Java is James Gosling and his team. So James Gosling and his team. Okay, Java developed the first we can write. The point is Java introduced in the year 1991. In the year 1991 by Sun Microsystem company. Sun Micro System. Sun Micro System. And father of Java, I would say Yes, daily timings at 9 a.m. Don't join in the middle. Okay, now we are discussing about the Java introduction, right? The heading is Java introduction, and so we'll try to write a few points about the Java introduction. And the first point is Java introduced in the year 1991 by Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem. Okay. Next point is and the father of Java. The father of Java is James Gosling and his team. James Gosling and his team. And his team. His team. In 1995, Java initial name is Oak Programming Language. Java initial name. Java initial name is Oak Programming Language. Oak Programming Language. And in 1995, they renamed to in 1995 Sun Microsystem they renamed they renamed Oak to Java. Oak to Java. Okay. Next up, in 2010, in 2010, Sun Microsystem in 2010, Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystem. In 2010, Oracle company Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystem acquired the Sun Microsystem. Now license everything. Now JDK license and everything license and everything under control of Oracle company. Oracle company. I hope you guys are clear with my statements. What I'm saying. Java introduced in the year 1991 by Sun Microsystem. Father of Java is James Gosling and his team. Java initial name is Oak programming language. In 1995, they renamed Oak to Java. And in 2010, Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystem. Now JDK license and everything under the control of Oracle company. Oracle company. Okay, fine, very good. Now there is a question. There are so many programming languages in the market. Then why we are going with only the Java? Because we have the Java features less. What are the features? We'll try to understand. First one is next heading is Java features. Next heading is Java features. Next heading is Java features. Coming to here, basically, so first one is Java is the object-oriented language, guys. Object-oriented programming language. Programming language. Meaning all our class data we can keep as a object. Or Java object-oriented programming language. Meaning obviously it will provide the security. So this is the one feature. So Java is the secure language. Secure language. And next point is it will support the OOPS principles. It will support the OOPS principles. OOPS principles are very, 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 very crucial and very, very plays the major role in the Java programming language. It will support the OOPS principles. So, what are the principles it will support? First, very, very important thing is encapsulation. That is the one principle. After that, it will support the inheritance and polymorphism and abstraction. Hello, hello. It will support the OOPS principles: encapsulation, inheritance. Next, we have the polymorphism. Next, we have the polymorphism, and last one we have the abstraction. Hello. Yes. Hmm. ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఆఫీస్కి ఆఫ్లైన్ ఓకే 10. ఓకే. Java features. Okay, Java object-oriented programming language. Java is the secure language. It will support the OOPS principles: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction as well. I can increase the yeah polymorphism, and where we have abstraction. Abstraction. Okay. Next feature is it will support the multi-threading. Multi-threading is also very, very important area. Okay. Next thing is it will support the it will support the multi-threading. Multi-threading. It will support the multi-threading. Next thing is Java is the strong language. Java is the strong language. Strong language also called as robust language. Also called as robust language. Java is the strong language, meaning so outside people easily cannot access our data because Java is the strong language. It will provide the high security. Robust language. Robust language. And in Java, we have the slogan that is we can write one and we can run anywhere. And here one more point is Java is the portable. Portable meaning we can write a Java classes in one system. That the classes we can write in any other systems like other OS are like Windows, Linux, and all. Next feature is Java is the portable. Java is the portable. We can write in one system that classes we can run in any system. So that is the reason we can call as the portable. We can carry our classes and all, and that we can run in any other systems, any other system. So Java have the slogan that is Aura. Write once, run anywhere. The slogan is write once, run anywhere. Write once and run anywhere. This is the slogan. Write once and run anywhere. I hope you guys are clear with my statements, right? Java is the portable and Java has the slogan that is the ORA. ORA meaning write once, run anywhere. You guys clear with my statements. What are the Java features? You guys, can you please come to here and you have to read all the statements. What are the Java features? First one is Java object oriented programming language, and second one is Java is the secure language, and third one, it supports the multi-threading. What are the principles we have? Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. Next, what is the next feature? It will support the multi-threading. Multi-threading is also very important area in Java programming language. Next, Java is the robust language. Robust meaning strong language. Next, Java is the portable. Portable meaning we can write the Java classes in any system. That Java classes we can write in any other systems also. Okay. Next, Java has the slogan. What is the slogan? ORA. ORA means write once, run anywhere. That is one more advantage with the Java language. I hope you guys are clear with my statements. You guys are familiar with Java introduction, like when the Java has introduced and the initial company and father of Java, who is the father of Java, and Java and initial name is the OOC programming language. Later they rename it to Java programming language. And in 2010, Oracle company acquired the Sun Microsystem. Now JDK and everything under the control of Oracle company. I hope you guys are clear. There are two. Uh, you guys understood what is language, what is programming language? Clear now. 12, 12 now. ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ರು ಅದೇ ಇರೋದು ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದವ್ರು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ದೇವ್ ಅವರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ಇರೋದು ಓಕೆ. These are the areas we covered. What is language and what is programming language? What is the difference between the language and programming language? And how programming language build and how language build. Next, Java introduction and next Java features. So next heading is Java history. So next keep the heading that is Java history. Java history. So this is also very important question in the interview perspective. And for example, they will ask the question like which version you used in your project when you are working in previous company. This is also very regular question. So for this, we know we can I can show you the Java history and all. You know you can get the clarity on it. Java history, and then there itself I can show you Java version history. I am coming to here. You guys can you please see here actually. Okay. Java version. Initial version, you can see here, initial version name is JDK 1.0 in the year of 1996, right? In the year of release date is 1996, initial name. And come to here, Java 1.1 version, at the 1997 February 18th. Okay, next up, meaning they are adding some of the features, and they are releasing the new features in the market. Are you guys clear with my statements? For example, if you purchase phone also, they are also upgrading every 3 months, 4 months, and that also when you open your system and all, it will ask that you have to update your phone and all. Meaning they are adding new features to that phone. So same way here also in programming language also what they did actually, initial version is 1.0 in the year of 1996, and after 1 year, almost 1 year, again they added a few of the features. So their complete entire team will be there. James Hosting and his team. What they will do actually? So they are trying to add few features of that language. So they added some of the features, and they again 1.1 version they launched in 1997, and 1.2 1998, 1.3 and 2000 year, 1.4 2002. After 2 years they released new versions, and 1.5 they released in 2004. This 1.5 is also very big release in the Java history. Why? Because they bring they bring lot of many features in the 1.5. 1.5. Okay. So after you can come and then you can closely observe what actually 1.6 in the year 2006, 1.7 in the year 2011, almost 5 years. The gap in between 1.6 and 1.7, almost 5 years of gap. Okay, almost 5 years, almost 5 years. Next, after 3 years, again that is 1.8 version. Okay, and after where actually 3 years, again 3 years, they release the 1.9 version, and after 1 year, they release the 1.10 version, and next they release the Java 11. This is also very big release in the Java history. Very big release, very big release in the Java history. 2018 they released 11 version. Okay, after 11, a 12 version they released in the March, and after guys you can closely observe there is 12 version at 2019 March, 13 version same year September, 14 next year March, 15 same year 15. So how they are releasing the versions generally? For example, you are writing the exam, March exams. If you fail the exam, you will write in September. September also you will fail. Next year March. Same here also, same process. They are releasing the versions, 12 versions. They are releasing in the market, and because of some issues, the version will fail. And again, they correcting the I would say the their drawbacks, and they are releasing into the market. They are releasing into market. Same, they are releasing into the market. So like this, from 12 version to current version is 25. 25. Are you guys clear with my statements what I'm saying? 16 March 21, and 17 September 21, and 18 March 22, 19 September 22, 20 21 March, and 21 September 23, 22 March 24, 23 September 24, 24, 25, 25, 25. Meaning, so after this, basically after 12 version, every 6 months they are releasing the new versions, because these all are failure versions. They are releasing in the market, but they are not working. Because of that, again they are, I would say, they are modifying their changes, and again they are releasing to the market. So now, in the interview perspective, they will ask the question, "What is the current version of the Java?" If you are working as a like if you keep experience, like you already have the genuine experience of 2 or 3 years of experience in IT industry, if you attend the real interviews, they will ask the question. So you already worked in your project. There are 2 years, right? Which version you use in your project? This is the question they will ask. So normally, if you come to Chrome and you can ask like, what is the latest version of Java, then obviously it will give the latest version of Java is 25. But anybody they can develop by using 25? No. Why? Because that is, that is failure version, right? 25 is the failure version. These all are failure versions. After 12, 13, 14, there is no stability. Okay, whoever is working in the IT industry, they can develop the projects by using, there are two versions. What are the two versions? 1.8 is the one version. So almost 80 projects there, almost all of them are using 80% 1.8 version, and JDK 11 version, remaining 20% they are using. Okay, these are the two versions. Why? Because if any new version they can release in the market, no IT companies they will not dare to start working on with the new version, because, for example, you can assume new version they released in the market. Now the latest version is 25. You can assume there is a new version they released in the market, that is the 26 version. If I am running on IT company and I need to hire the 20 members of Java team, okay, they can start working on the 26 version. So they can, I would say, they can almost after 6 months they can develop a complete project of it using 26. What happens? That is the failure version. If the project will not work properly, so when the project will go to the live, it will not work properly because of we develop the project, that is the failure version. So if it is the failure version, obviously it will not work properly. So who will does finally? The owner of that project. Owner of that project, the person. If I am, you can assume, if I am the owner, I need to pay salary for the employees of 20 members a whole 6 months. You can assume like 20 members Java developers you can give like 1 lakh, almost 20 lakhs per month, 6 into 20 lakhs, 1.2, meaning almost 1.2 crore. 1 crore will be I can loss, right? Because of failure version. That is the reason no company they don't dare to start work with the new versions. New version. We don't know that is failure or I would say failure or past version. We don't know. So whatever the stable versions, already there are so many versions. Whatever the stable versions we have in the market. So in ACAD as of now, there are two stable versions in the Java, that is 1.8 and 11. 1.8 and 11. So almost 80% they already implemented projects, and whoever is already doing the projects, they are using the 1.8 or 11. Now the question they will ask, like if you have 3 years of experience, they will ask the question, which version you used in your project. If you can tell 11 or 1.8, okay, they can satisfy. If you can tell 25, they can easily recognize you are the faker. You are the faker, they can easily recognize, because no one cannot develop by using 25. The intro will be shocked. Oh man, who will develop 25 version, man? So they literally the intro will mind block. What, man? You said 3 years of experience now. Then you only developed with the 25 version, right? What is this, man? Literally, the intro will mind block if you tell Java 25 version. Okay, so that is the reason Java history is very important, and whatever the stable versions we have in the market, they can, everybody, already there are almost uh, the there are number of projects which are already implemented by using Java, by using these two versions only. Okay, you can tell either 1.8 or 11. This is all about Java history. Now, in our case, we want to write the programs and we want to develop the programs. We need also one JDK software writer. In our case also, we are going to download JDK 11. JDK 11. Okay. Now, the next heading is what is JDK? What is JDK? What is JDK? JDK means Java Development Kit, which is used to which contains which contains set of tools set of tools to develop the Java programs, guys. Java Development Kit, which contains set of tools to develop the Java programs. To develop the Java programs. Java Development Kit, which contains set of tools to develop the Java programs. Java programs. Okay. Okay. What it contains? It contains JRE and JVM. JRE and JVM. Now the next question is, what is JRE? JRE means Java Runtime Environment, which will provide the environment to run the Java programs. Java Runtime environment, it will provide the environment to run the Java programs. Environment to run the Java programs. To run the Java programs. Next, what is JVM? Java Virtual Machine. If anyone will ask what is JVM, don't tell application. Why? Because you are not a kids, right? So Java means JVM means Java Virtual Machine, okay, which is used to Java Virtual Machine, which is responsible to allocate the memory and deallocate the memory and deallocate the memory. Are you guys clear with my statements? Memory management, who will take care? JVM. Now regular question, if you are the fresher, regular question is, what is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM? Already you know. Already you know. Uh, what is the difference? What is JDK? Ja, which contains set of tools to develop the Java program. Java Development Kit, which contains set of tools to develop the Java programs. What is JRE? It provides environment to run the Java programs. What is JVM? Which is responsible to allocate the memory and to deallocate the memory. Now you guys are clear. What is JDK? JDK is the software which contains set of tools. JRE is the tool, JVM is the tool. So each tool has the each specific functionality. Now, next heading is, what is the next heading? Next heading is how to download and install the JDK software. Next heading is how to download and install JDK software. So normally, so I am also going with the 11 version. Okay. So simply what you can do in your case, go to look for the JDK 11 download. JDK 11 download for Windows. You will get the Oracle, and this is the Oracle. If you want to download from the Oracle account, you have to log in. You have to take the registration. Like it will ask your name, phone number, and then you have to register. And then once you are that one, you can go to. In my case, my system configuration is Windows 64 operating system. So where you can get that kind of information of your system, go to your this PC. There is the option this PC, and right click on that. You will get the properties option, and you can get one widget, right? See here, RAM, processor, and everything you can get, right? So see. So in my case, my system type is 64 operating system. Based on my system, I am downloading this one. So in your case, some might be using MacBook, some might be using 32-bit. So according to your system configurations, you can download the JDK software. Okay, so when I am trying to download, it will ask login credentials. So you have to give your mail and then password. Then you can the JDK software will download it to your laptop. Okay, fine. Now, so this has downloaded, which is available in my downloads. Download completed. That is the step number one. Step number two is you have to install to your local. How you can install? Go to that download location. Double click on that file. Double click on that. When you double click on that, it will ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? Yes. Now it is installing. Click on the next. And this is the default path it will take, C program files Java, and I am also going with the default path. Now this is installing. So there are stepwise I can tell you. First step is download JDK 11. Download JDK 11 from any browser like Chrome, Edge, any browser. Any browser. Next step is after download, install do installation. Do installation. Next up. Installation also completed. Next up. Set up the environment variables. Set up the environment variables. Set up the environment variables. How could I set up? Yeah, I will tell you. Go to that location wherever it actually installed. C drive, C program files, Java folder, JDK 11. 11 I install the same or not? Yes. And go to, you can copy the path up to bin and come to here, open system environment variables. System environment variables. Edit system environment. Go to that one. You can get one widget. Widget means one dialog you can get. There is an option environment variables. Go to that location. You can give the path Java home. Give the path Java home. Java, I can say home, and the path you can give. So there are two paths actually you need to give. First path without bin. Click on OK. Again there is a path option. Double click on the path option. Go to that here and take a new, and you can copy the path up to bin. Done. That's it. There are two paths actually you need to add. One path is without bin. When you double click on path, inside the path you have to give the path up to bin. These are the two paths you have to give. Two paths I have added successfully, and now open command prompt cmd and look for the Java version. Java version. See here, 11 or not. So with the help of this one, I successfully installed and I successfully set up JDK version in my system. Come to here. So first one is open environment variables. Give the path up to bin. Give the path. Give the path without bin. Give the path of JDK software without bin, without bin. Next, double click on the path. Double click on the path. The double click on the path. Give the path of the JDK up to with bin, with bin, with bin. Okay. Next, what is the folder structure of that? I said JDK contains set of tools, right? Yes. Is there any proof? It contains set of tools. Yes, we have the proof. Come to open JDK. This is the JDK folder, right? I said JDK contains set of tools. Open, expand bin. See here. What are all these? All are set of tools. See here. Application means these are the tools. These all are softwares. So see, these all are softwares. These all are applications. The type is C. These all are tools. Compiler tool, JVM tool, all the tools which are available under the bin folder. Bin folder. Now my statement is correct or not? Meaning JDK contains set of tools. Where the tools are available? Tools are available here. Okay. Next, it will contain configuration files, and next it will contain libraries, and this legal and include this will contain some temporary files. This is the folder structure of JDK. You guys are clear with my statements, right? Now, from coming 20 days, we can write the programs using Notepad only. Okay. And after 20 days, I will tell you what ID you can download and what ID you will use. I will tell you. Before that, everybody you have to do programs in Notepad. You have to submit using Notepad. Okay. Now I can write one program. So for writing the programs, I would like to create one folder. mention June Java batch. I am mentioning like this. Inside I would like to create one Java file. Take a new and take a text document, and I could mention the class name is demo.java. Okay, fine, very good. And I would like to open demo.java, and then public class demo, and from here to here this is the scope of the class. And I would like to take the main method public static void main method, and I would say string aux. This is the scope of the main method. Inside the main method I'm taking sysout statement, system dot out dot println, and here I would like to make print hello, hello, hello world or anything. I'm simply printing like as hello. Hmm. So as of now, you guys clearly see what I all the words I used: public, class, demo, public, static. Each word has different story. Okay, each word has different meaning. Each word has different story. So that story you will be understood coming sessions. So as of now, however I written, you have also same way you can see the program, you can write the programs, and you can compile the programs. Okay, as of now, coming sessions you can understand each story. Okay, this is the coming from the access specified topic. This is the coming from keywords topic. This is the coming from naming conventions. Java standards now. That is coming from the that topic, and this is coming from the access specified topic, and this is coming from the methods concept, and this is coming from the arrays concept. Okay, this is the normal print statement. Okay, each word has each story. As of now, what you guys can do, however I written, you have also can write the same way. I can save this program. I want to compile. If I want to compile, wherever Java file is available, go to the Java location, file location, open command prompt, Java C. What is Java C? Java C is the compiler, is the tool which is available in the bin folder. When you go to bin folder, there is a you can open the bin folder. So somewhere you can see Java C. See this one. Java C is the compiler. This is the tool which is available in the bin folder. Come to here. Java C. I am telling to demo, demo, demo. So there is a one accepted. Coming to here. Public class demo, public static void main, string aux system.out.println. Hello. So what it is showing, class name demo already accepted if annotation pausing is explicitly requested. Coming to here, oh, we need to save the file, right? Public static void main and string aux system.out.println hello message, public static void main. Save this one. Java C demo, we can mention demo class name and file name is the same or different? Same. We'll go here, Java batch, coming to here, open file explorer options, and there is a view tab, hide extensions for known file types, click on OK, and here I could take one more Java file, that I could mention test.java. The extension is Java file. Now I could take public class test, and this is the scope of the file. Public static void main, and then I could take string aux, and here I could take sysout statement system.out.println. I'm mentioning some hi. Okay, I'm saving this one, and you can go to Java file location cmd java c test.java java, and then test. You can see here the message is coming hi. The message is coming hi. Okay, the message is coming hi in case of this one demo.java and demo.java. I would say when you return the program test.java, it is running. But in case of this one, we'll see public class and demo, and then demo.java. We'll see cmd and java c demo.java. No need to mention Java. Demo are only accepted if annotation is explicitly requested on. So I thought demo name is not taking. You can try with other names. Mm, For example, see here in this, I could open Java C demo.java Java and demo. Welcome to Search Software Solutions. You can get that one. Okay. The files already available here. You can try with other names. You can get it. Okay. So today what you guys will do, your assignment is you have to take a notepad. Question is what is language? Your answer. What is programming language? Your answer. And the next one is what is Java introduction? Your answers. Next up, what is Java features? Your answers. And next up, how to install and download the JDK software? Your answer. There is some steps we discussed, right? All the steps you have to type non-verbally. Next up, write a program on. You can download the JDK software, download and install the JDK software, set up the environment variables, and run. Take any program, hello world program, any program. You can write in Notepad and take a screenshot of all the question and all the I would say entire thing. Make a PDF. That PDF you can upload to the search website. This is the assignment. Assignments are mandatory. Without assignments, we will not allow the further sessions. We don't encourage coming, going, such kind of attitude. We don't encourage. We can help only who will come regularly, only who will come and who will do the assignments properly. We can help only those persons. We don't encourage coming, going. This kind of persons we don't encourage. Okay. So all of you please note all my points and please do the assignments and then you can submit in the search portal. Okay, so that's it.